Hey nurses, are you ready to advance your career in the US with a green card, but find the National Interest Waiver process a bit daunting? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Direct US Immigration's channel, where you get direct access to our most up-to-date immigration and global mobility space. I'm an immigration attorney with almost a decade's worth of experience, and today we're going to talk about the National Interest Waiver for nurses. Stay tuned. My name is Maitreya Brown, and I'm a U.S. immigration attorney based in the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area. I'm also the principal attorney at Direct US Immigration, where we work with clients in all 50 states and around the world. Before we start, click on the like and subscribe button to follow our Immigration Hub to get the latest immigration information that could be vital to your case. As you may know, self-sponsoring for a green card can seem like an impossible task. From navigating the eligibility requirements to building a persuasive case that highlights your critical role in healthcare. We've got all of the insights you need, so stay tuned. Now, first and foremost, what is the National Interest Waiver? So the National Interest Waiver, also known as the NIW, is a type of employment-based immigration option that allows certain professionals, including nurses, to apply for a green card without needing a job offer or labor certification. This waiver is designed for individuals whose work benefits the United States significantly. Now, who qualifies for a national interest waiver? So to qualify for an NIW as a nurse, you must demonstrate that your work is within the national interest of the U.S. This often includes showing that you have an advanced degree or exceptional ability in your field and that your employment will significantly benefit the nation, such as minimizing the effects of a national or global outbreak. Now, what documents are needed for the NIW application? The NIW application generally requires a range of documents, including proof of advanced degree or exceptional experience, evidence of previous or current employment, letters of recommendation, licenses, awards, and a detailed statement explaining how your work meets the national interest criteria. Now, what are the benefits of obtaining a national interest waiver for nurses? So by securing a NIW green card, nurses gain permanent residency without needing a job offer or labor certification, which is beneficial in cases where there are shortages of healthcare professionals. This status allows for greater job flexibility and the ability to apply for citizenship after meeting certain residency requirements. Can I apply for a national interest waiver without an attorney? And the answer is yes, you can apply for an NIW without legal representation. However, given the complexity of immigration law, many choose to work with an attorney to ensure that their application is as strong as possible. How long does it take to process a national interest waiver application? So processing times for NIW applications can vary widely based on factors such as the service center handling the application and workload, but it usually takes a few months to more than a year to process. Can I apply for the national interest waiver with my family included? And the answer is yes. So when applying for a national interest waiver, your spouse and children can be included in your application, allowing them to obtain green cards simultaneously. Where do I file my national interest waiver application? So you must file your NIW petition, which is Form I-140 and a Form ETA 9089 with USCIS. The specific filing address depends on your location and other factors, and you can review the USCIS website to determine the correct address. Is there a fee to file a national interest waiver petition? And the answer is absolutely. There is a filing fee associated with Form I-140, so it is essential to check the USCIS website for the current fee amount and any additional costs that may apply, such as premium processing if you want your case processed faster. How do I check the status of my national interest waiver application? So you can check the status of your NIW application using the USCIS online case status system by entering your receipt number provided when you submitted Form I-140. It's on that receipt notice in the top left corner. Now, how can I proceed if my application for the NIW is rejected or denied? So if you file your petition and it's rejected and not receipted from USCIS, meaning that USCIS did not issue an I-797 receipt notice, then USCIS will send the case back to you and confirm the deficiencies. So for example, some cases are rejected because the petition is not on the correct form version, a page is missing, or the filing fee sent with the petition is incorrect. These are typically easy things to correct, and you can send it back to USCIS for them to accept and start processing your case. If your application is denied, meaning USCIS received the case and reviewed the merits of the case, USCIS will issue a decision outlining the reasons for denial, and you may have the option to appeal the decision or reapply after addressing the issues identified in the denial letter. Can I travel while my NIW application is pending? Now, if you have a pending NIW petition and plan to travel outside of the U.S., consult with an immigration attorney, as traveling can affect your application depending on your immigration status. So for example, if you are currently on a dual intent non-immigrant visa such as an H-1B or an L visa, you may travel internationally and re-enter on your valid visa stamp. If you are on a single intent non-immigrant visa such as an F-1 student visa or a B visitor visa, you will not be able to re-enter after exiting the U.S. until you have another visa to enter on or some type of travel parole. So thanks for tuning in today. Be sure to check out the caption below this video. We've got questionnaires for different types of visas so that we can help you determine which visa is most appropriate for you. And if you're traveling soon, we also have a list of some of my travel favorites. So I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe if this content or information helps you in any way. Comment below if you want me to talk about something in specific, and share this resource widely because you never know who needs answers to these questions. Additionally, if you have any specific questions about this video as they pertain to your unique circumstances, please schedule a consultation with us, also at the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.